at the PayPal Melbourne Fashion Festival opening night runway show. This show features contemporary streetwear from cutting-edge Australian labels like Age, like Manning Cottle, Victoria and Woods, Nearly, Romance Was Born, and many more. Join me.
Melbourne's biggest fashion event kicked off with a bang. The opening designers brought a mix of contemporary style and classic elegance. But the question is, did the streets outshine the catwalk?
In this video, I will decode the Australian designers that opened the runway show, capture the street style, and cover all the outdoor festivities.
Melbourne streets had their own fashion narrative. Sometimes the streets more inspiration than the runway.
Did street fashion steal the show at PayPal Melbourne Fashion Festival? The runway dazzled, but the real action might well have been outside.
These two ladies rocked the bling and poppy colors. Sequins, hot pink, electric blue, cheongsam, polished off with a glass of champagne. Sustainable fashion at its best.
My outfit is mainly pre-loved, so I'm interested in the circular fashion economy. So most of it is thrifted. So I've got this coat that was made by a lady in the Blue Mountains, a dress designer, and my dress is chic from Savers, and my boots I've had from my collection for the last 20 years. My name is Doris, and my Insta is Ginger Station.
Wonderful. It's just awesome, and the colors are so on trend.
Fashion, education and community influencer, Christina Chia. A modern version of the Serpent Woman. And who could get past these fuzzy characters?
And of course, I will let you into what I was wearing and feeling like $1 million without breaking the bank. As for me, I kept it simple. No drama and no fuss. I wore this brown Zara top. Naturally brown, it's the color of the season and asymmetric. There was one more thing that completed my look. My go-to Dossier Ambery Saffron perfume. You would ask me, Samita, why are you so passionate about Dossier? Simples, because Dossier is sustainable, ethically made, eco-friendly. All scents are sourced from Grasse in France, which is the mecca of high-end perfumes. Dossier brings you high-end perfumes at low-end prices. How good is that?
A mix of saffron and orange blossom. This perfume is vegan and not tested on animals.
But then, how does Dossier do all of that? Simples. Fuss-free eco-packaging. Basic marketing. And reviews and endorsements from genuine users like you and like me. No celebrity endorsements. So that's how Dossier gives you value for money.
You can pick from a wide variety to suit your mood and style.
Your secret to $1 million lifestyle at a fraction of the price. Dossier perfumes.
The best part, Dossier offers free returns. PayPal Melbourne Fashion Festival 2025 opened at the historic Royal Exhibition Building in Carlton, Melbourne, Australia. Designers featured on the opening night were Victoria and Woods, and romance was born.
I'm cast in a stairwell, I've got the metal, the means to make things right. But I'm tired of guilt, tired of being sorry, haven't we suffered enough? We won't run, we keep us up at night, there is far to go now, let's not waste a minute more. We won't run, we can't fight, all that keeps us up at night, there is far to go now, let's not waste a minute more. And all that our eyes will be.
Nearly Manning Cotton, McGraw. Maxi dresses, clashing textures like lace and leather, frills and flounces, and sorbet colors flooded the runway. Festivities continued outside. A plaid dress with a face mask, canary yellow pantsuit, and hot pink pussy bow top worn with platforms, Valentino belt, and Louis Vuitton wallet. Goth meets New Romantic. You could score free macarons, custom made to your specifications.
So what topping would you like?
Your choice.
some skin and hair care, fashion magazines, sparkling water, and gelato.
What's your secret sauce to looking lavish without overspending? Mention in comments. And do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more sustainable fashion and lifestyle content. Stay stylish, stay sustainable, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Samita signing off. Bye for now.